Our culture here at Willands Tech Auto is very unique and pretty much unlike anything you'll see in an automotive repair facility. We've been around for 86 years. We're a very small family-owned shop that treats everyone like family. You know, most shop owners are so focused on just trying to get cars in and out and making a bunch of money. Obviously that's important, but that's not what it's truly about. You know, this is not just a transactional business. We build real relationships with our customers so that they know in their heart of hearts that they can trust us.
I just think this is a really good place to do business with. I trust the folks.
I also will refer Willands to anybody that asks me.
We're always striving to do the right thing every single time for our customers. You truly are getting honest car care from honest people. We want to provide an extraordinary service to the people of this community, not just a good one. We want to give you that old school Cheers feel, you know, where everybody knows your name and they're always glad you came. That goes for my crew too. That's why it's so important that great automotive repair shops like Willands act as training facilities as well. We've got to groom that next generation of great technicians and advisors. We're trying to help change the industry for the better. That's why we partnered with a lot of huge industry experts to help us along the way. To last another 86 years, we're going to have to take care of people like they've never been taken care of before. And that's my mission. That's my purpose.